samla pule ka rilum jantia ke berang shupas ke metric haringkat ka Jente Youth Federation JYF mentaka sngi kilami haringkat ki plakan bat ki jingpota halo ka jingbum shim kia jong ka sarkar ban penung kelas ya ki samla ka rilum jantia ki bedang do kelas kat hado menta la penlongi ka jingya rally nadu mokedop shaduk lat kyang nongba government college jowai bat penlongi ka jingelang bashipor hakate ka jaka bat hakani ka sngi dagi phawmut ki samla pule bat kinong lam ka seng kile mi lang ban persngo ye kani ka jinge jong ki samla pule sha ka sarkar hakani ka sngi nakaliang ka JYF kala rai ban aipor hadu ka shipau tarek menta ubnai ya ka sarkar MDA ban penung kelas ya ki samla pule ki bo empat yo admission kat hadu mentaru
so outside ya sarkar ni outside permission ikna keluarga jongki kelayan jadi mesti ya ikna kuat orang jongki mereka tu tentang kelas jongki ki padio keluarga ya berarti mesti kita dia ini hak di mana mar beliau keluarga syai'u ikna ini dengan prom ni ala nimdai bengi penle nim tumar Gimana? Kira hok jongi bandawa. Tapi sorry, feel lagi gila social gila saya buat. Ini pernah saya gila. Jadi kalau kurang ni yang untuk angkaran mungkin, ayolah. Hidup istru ya kata.
MDA government, down. MDA government, down. MDA government, down. Lakman Rumbui, down. Lakman Rumbui, down. Lakman Rumbui, down. We want action. We want action. No admission. No rest. No admission. No rest. No admission. No rest.
Of the entire situation, because of the COVID pandemic, a lot of students could not go outside. So there was a more than usual demand for the admissions in the local colleges. So there was a reason, one of the main reasons why there was a spike in the demand for number of seats in here, which may come down in the coming years. That's number one. Number two, initially there were close to 500, 600 students who did not get the admission. And because of the intervention of the local MLA, Wailat Mikishila, and our Deputy Commissioner and the Education Department, they were able to adjust for about 300 to 50 to 400 students were then adjusted, and efforts were made to bring down the number from 600 down to today 150 or 180 of them. So that's number 2 point. Number 3 point is that out of these 180 students who are left, we are encouraging them that there are some other colleges within the district, in other parts of the district, not just in Jowai, but Shampung area also, Amlarem area also. The other areas also have got places, so they can always seek admission there also. And at the same time, certain students, who are eligible to get admission, we will still keep trying from our side, from the Education Department, to try and find out a way to move forward. But this has been an unusually difficult year in terms for the students because of the spike in terms of the COVID, which led to the students not being able to go out and seek admission. So we were trying our best. As I said, efforts have been made, and with that efforts, as I said, 350 plus students have got the admission, and now still 180 are left. So we will see how many we can adjust in the rural areas within the district and in colleges which are there in the district. And further, let's see how we can take it forward. So we'll try our best to find a resolution to the issue.
Department yang polis, persnyawa ini lada dikenai mobil ke kure ke putih, hawi ke si dia sistem ni baik le, dah bon di runa, mana mobil ke mulai.
Lada i kate admission apa ka cepat terek nene i ke cepat ko success nene ko wati kena I have you medan nene I have you ki daga watane lada I achi abi te we por ki le por se por ragi wayang chisni yang asi henry ichimpule yang I teman doi iwa temo nene iwadum takante ngam yo di kinten ni bahada pun kita pik berada di pulang sakman tengah ini kinten uang kajin dua pura yo I hapo dispaudre ladam yo I hapo dispaudre ye pemanya kali kuwahe nene kuwahe tam saji sen bite kinten flashboard